Venrap Radio.
Rock beat. Yo, Nikom Panamilaroni. Rock beat.
Of course, I feel like I'm dreaming.
Venrap Radio.
Welcome back. It's the Venrap Radio. Yeah, man. About a week ago, I posted a video. And the video I kwamba venda funani. And then I was trying to just break it down on how I understand it. And it seemed like there's people that still want more. They want me to like talk more about such issues. Since I see what the heck is going on social media on no. That's chimbi. So again, now today we're gonna look at that for the next few minutes. Venda ufia funani ruti ribengana ngandela ingwene and then dari asitori ngatori rikasiri venda rifunani mutu khata mbeto amba ari bangwe baba venda abafunani bangwe ba venda abafunani ndara ndichiliamba ndara ndosidzana mramsi chimwe zibva kori una stereotypes zopambana nawo zori okay nichibva vunda ningenjerere zvembori you are certain type of women nikobona nichibva njerere nichibva western nichibva chibasa nichibva niani ngoraro chenga mashango. We end up being divided based on vagai bangwe bakozamusidzela bangwe bathu pasi you guys need bari hey this and that. Then kitaka social media. I'm trying to summarize what I said previously on the other video. Unamapungwane na wanori unabatu bane they like to post like everything about themselves, like the life whether wako big okay nanenja post big like wako post wako mami diponi wako post about the trip ini like a friend of mine Ice Cube who always posts. Big up to him. He's out somewhere there overseas. I think it's Mexico or something. Yeah, but people that are always posting, then there's people that wish they were living that life. Come on. They wish they were the one that are living that life. And then bachibona ini niko posta maybe migeroni secret location ni ngoraro nepa ninge bomandezi theater ningezi ko uwangeli boneni mumtu arachiza but come on, this is nothing. I can do better only if I was ndrini wanori mutu uko build a vengo based on what people are saying on social media, but then they don't know what goes behind all the closing doors. Like once you post the picture, what's happening? Forgetting about to buy a stage just to fit in. I want to post that because they enjoy sharing their lifestyle. But that doesn't mean you're you don't have to. Instead of getting inspired, spend the whole day. Post anything positive or post great things about their life and all. You go there, they're always commenting negatively. They're trying to drag everybody down. They're trying to say anything so bad that, hey, you wouldn't want to post about your life. You wouldn't want to share anything about your life. Come on. No one like go to post lawe or graduator. Mutudako domu apula computer pezi, apula end user computing. Not knowing or you're already end user computing, it might take that person way beyond uni. Because you never know zakai. Can be beginning for someone, can be the start for someone, can be anything for someone. So asuru venda funani. Venda ya funana nga month and funari funa way beyond. Like so ties on the divisions as a group of daresa. And because it seems like we were oppressed for too long. Now what to bakoto fit in different places, different areas. You know, mboneni I'm right here. Mboneni, I'm out here. I'm the boss. I'm the man. I'm that and that and that. And if I'm entourage, you know, that's group zaona majita no tanga mrawa nepala. Zwigotsha Nama, they will make you feel like you're nobody on social media. They will shoot you down. They will shoot your ideas down. They will make sure that you feel you're useless. Come on. But like I'm saying, the main issue is the group. But these two things are every single corner of the world. If you get yourself to be part of different social media, how can I put it, man? Okay, Venda Media, Tsonga Media, Zulu Media, wherever, like, I'm trying to find a way. American social media, wherever you can put it. There is all those hate. Ine ikoswa that's group. Ikoswa ngori ndi kongo fiwa. Ikoswa ngori ndiko that's the comment. Ikoswa ngori ndi feel ndi kwina kama ngomutu. One. I'll tell you, I can go now on social media and post anything is need because the poster. No one will say anything. But at the moment I talk about what I think, like when I spoke about I wish Tam in a video. Then you find people writing status. But they're just saying things like you could discuss. You find WhatsApp groups banning, talking about things like how useless I am. But you're not able to come and say, yo, Nema, but this is what we think. But that's what I think. That's my opinion. I didn't take short at anyone. I just say, I wish Tam in a music video. Come on. But it goes beyond what I'm saying. I'm just giving us an example. Zunda kwamba zone. Zia panda to point in ewa ngabatu wascha funana because ni wanori no ngwara chitu mungo mutu muda kropa party yela imweote ato da zinezo fita zine nakoto da zone aya azishare uri batu bambe zineva kwamba I video huyajiwa kupisinyana au jiwi video etepelera utodwa kupisinyana kune kwadoitori batu bambe zineva dowa kwamba zone hudiwi hapa lona wanori ukushumisiwa uri hudoshumisa video yote. If video is 2 minutes, in a cut way, we are 25 seconds. Which you got to do that small piece. That small piece in a worry is gonna cause controversy. Who do you think you are? Because but you got the fame. Come on. But I'll talk about fame just now. I'll talk about fame when we get back on the next video. VhaVenda hufi awa funani, but the truth ria funana mapungo. It's a group it's a group but where chimra nabo rorokotodori refiwe huberine whenever worry we out here ndayandoni ndibafuna zone. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment. Tell us what else you think rangasizana nazo hidakapungo la VhaVenda VhaVenda wafunani wone.
Let's get a little drawing going, you know? Yeah. That's what it is, man. Word up, ASAP Rocky. What up, my nigga? Count down the arm.
Venrap.
Count down the arm again.
Venrap. Radio.